1.
Hashgen a buff tuning ID name, buff description, display name, and icon. A action tuning ID name and buff reason. A zone modifier tuning ID name and a user interface info tuning ID name. Trait description, icon, and display name.
2.
Create empty package. String table lookup. Pick one. Add to package. Extract tuning. Extract one user interface info. Zone modifier. Action tuning. And buff tuning. Buff tuning. Keep or remove temp commodity and audio sting. Copy icon numbers. Game file cruiser. In instance, paste. All. Filter. Add to package. DST. Export. Update. Re-import. Data. Update icon tuning. Buff tuning. Update description. Name. Icon. And mood if you wanna. Data. Update tuning ID. Copy instance. Sim data. Update description. Name. Icon. And mood type if you changed it. Data. Update instance. Update name. Action tuning. Keep or remove second buff, statistics, and tests. Update buff reason. In buff type, local tuning, add your buff tuning. In blacklist, paste your buff tuning. Data, update name.
3.
Zone modifier tuning. Update name. Copy instance. XML. Keep or remove schedule. Local tuning. In enter lot, add your action tuning. In exit lot, add your action tuning. Sim data. Update instance. Update name. User interface. Create a new icon using the same trick that we did earlier. DST. Data. Update instance. User interface. Update description. Icon. Name. Local tuning. Add your zone modifier tuning. Data. Update name. Copy instance. Sim data. Update description. Icon. Name. And zone modifier. Data. Update instance. Update name.
4.
String table. Edit items. Add. Display name. Trait description. Buff reason. Buff description. And buff display name. Done! Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.